Sherry from TMEK car dealership. So today I'll show you 71 plate Kia Niro electric. I'll quickly show you the exterior.
हाँ मैं चेक करके बताता हूँ
Quickly show you the interior. So this is the interior of the car. Um, 32% battery left. It does have navigation system in it. Radio, FM, almost everything. So you name it, it's all here's all. So this is basically the gearbox. If you want to reverse it, this is the reversing camera. I'm just on neutral now. So this is the back seats. Beautiful car. This is the boot. This is the boot of the car. Basically the boot here, and yeah, so you get a plenty of space after dropping down the seats. Otherwise you have many different cars here. So we also have charger here as well. Charger does have a boot cover in case if you want to space up anything from the boot.